Welcome to Olivia's Garden, where the beauty of nature meets the art of gardening. Here we'll be exploring Gold Heart, Bleeding Heart. Please like and subscribe for more videos on other stunning plants to add to your garden oasis. Gold Heart, Bleeding Heart is one of my favorite perennial plants. It's one of the first plants to grow in the spring. It appears as early as April. The cute heart-shaped flowers that look like dangling toys bloom from late spring to early summer, and the vibrant gold leaves last all summer, adding a much-needed pop of brightness to the shady area in my garden. As you can see, it contrasts so beautifully with my blood-good Japanese maple. Most plants need full sun to thrive. This one loves shade, making it my favorite shade perennial. The Gold Heart Bleeding Heart is very adaptable, growing in zones 3 all the way to 9. It reaches a mature height of 2 feet and a width of 1.5 feet, so it keeps a nice tidy habit and doesn't grow out of control or require pruning. It is resistant to most diseases, so it's very easy to care for. I planted it in the spring and it has grown back stronger and more beautiful every year. I hope you enjoy this plant as much as I do. Please be sure to like and subscribe to support our channel as we share our absolute favorite and easy to care for plants to add beauty to your garden oasis. Thank you so much for joining us and enjoy the rest of this video.